want to make sure that I'm innovating on top of it. And this is a product that I see in a factory or I see on Alibaba. Because if I'm talking to a factory and they show me a product that they're already selling and I can make a quick change on top of it to make sure, all right, well, I'm going to sell this in the UK, so I want it to be waterproof because it rains a lot there, or I'm going to sell it in the Middle East, in Dubai, so I need to make sure it's got like, you know, some sun protection on the product as well, something like that. So if I can innovate on top of something they've already made, it's going to make the product cheaper because it's something that, because they're already making, they know all the cutting patterns of the product, the workers are already familiar making that product, they can achieve economies of scale because they're making it for other clients or for themselves as well, so they can just add your order on top of theirs. But if I had a fresh idea, you know, that I wanted to develop from scratch, well, now there's a sample cost, there's a development cost, they might not get it right first time, there might be quality control issues on the first order, but you can hit the ground running if you take something that they're already doing and innovate on top. And by the way, both ways are okay. You do want to be developing products as well, but if you're purely playing a pricing game, you might want to see what they're already doing and then what innovations can you make on top of that.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.